Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Gavin Cruz and I'm a senior on Nemesis Prime. Today we'll be going over the basics of Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is a video editing software that I use for all the videos we make on Nemesis Prime, and today's basic we'll go over like cuts, just all the basics of it. In the future I will be posting more videos on specific cuts, maybe if you want to get two videos going simultaneously. If y'all want to see that, comment below or DM us on Instagram at FTC14020, and yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, so right here we have our whole Adobe Premiere setup for our promo video that we filmed last year. Link in the description, check it out. Yeah, so they have all these different little settings. I'll show you what they mean in a second. So here we have our learning, where basically we have the tutorials on the side, but this is a tutorial, so you won't need those videos. Haha. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, we have our main video and we have the audio clips, which we'll get into in a second. It gets a little bit more complicated, but it's pretty standard. Here's the assembly. So we have all the videos that you bring in from. You go to your folder and just import stuff in this little box. Yeah, so we have the pictures, videos, audio files, anything you'll really need. Now, editing is where you'll do the most work. So here you have your cut tool and your, if your text box tool, you want to add text. That's also very nice. You have another kind of assembly feature here. This feature has everything you basically really need, so you'll spend most of your time on this setting. Also, you have your position, like if you want to move your video to the left and to the right and up and down. So color. So colors for so here we have our hue and saturation little thing. So if you want to move to your colors, if you want more red, more green, more blue, like that. Keep it right to the center for now. You may not really use it that much, but yeah. So for effects, this gets a bit cool. So, it's loading. Yeah, also Adobe Premiere does take a while to load. Yeah, you'll learn that, unless you have a really nice computer. So yeah, so you have our your editing stuff, which is standard. Also, you can set up effects, you can find filters and stuff in here, but also you have these credits things. These credits are cool. They look like anything you get out of a normal movie. It's really nice. Now, audio is very important. I remember my first ever video, I had background music going on, and I had the actual thing, but I put the background music too high. So here, on this screen, you have audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, audio 4. You can have 4 different audios, like a voiceover, music, audio from the video. That's also really cool, and there's also one other thing they can put in there. So yeah, usually your audio from here will end up being audio 1, and then any external audio like audio 2 will end up here. It's very important, guys. Make sure you get that down. Now, graphics is very similar to the effects screen, but also now you have this little box. So if you want to go up and down, if you want to do basic color correction, curves, a vignette, it's very cool. And you got audio. You have basically everything here. Basically, you'll find a lot of similarities between all the different things in Adobe Premiere. Now, libraries, it's pretty much the same as the assembly, and you just have this. Okay, and you just have these little tabs, which I don't really use much. I've been using Adobe Premiere for the past 4 years. It's been very reliable to me. And in future videos, I'll do more tutorials. If y'all want anything to see, you can just DM on Instagram if y'all want to see how I even filmed this video with the setup right here. And yeah, that is the video for today. Make sure to hit a like on this video, subscribe to Nemesis Prime, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.